'57 Chevy hood rocket replacement. So we've pre-assembled the rocket, the bracket, and the backing plate in one piece. And we have a 1/4-inch bolt, 7/16 head threaded into that one. And then the bottom plate again has 1/4-inch hardware, 7/16 head. When we assemble the item, we have an aligning pin hole in the bottom of the plate, an aligning pin pull in the bottom of the rocket. It needs to be assembled together. And we're going to set the rocket in place in the hood. Really very little alignment here, just so the bottom trough comes together. Again, we keep making sure that bottom aligning pin stays in. I'm going to go on the bottom side of the car. And see the hood rocket bracket on the bottom through the sheet metal brace. We're going to get that started. And then the trough up top. Get that started. 7/16 wrench. The trough will tighten up pretty good. The bottom plate. Again, snug but not super tight. And check the alignment on the hood rocket.